Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Alrighty, welcome back guys. Today just a little quick video. Actually I'll be changing this gear knob. I've got a new one here and let's see what it is. Pretty easy, just got it in the mail yesterday actually. I've ordered it online. So as you can see here, it's a little bit smaller than the other one. Yeah, I don't know how to turn the lights on. Oh. There we go. So you can see that it's, yeah, like it's a little bit shorter. And this one's all black, and that one obviously is silver. Now when I bought the car, I just wanted to point out that it had like scratches all over it. So I've always kind of wanted a new gear knob anyway. And I do like this silver bit here. It looks nice and everything, but I just thought I'd try like the leather feel. Immediately it feels, this one feels a little more round and this one feels a little more flat at the top. So I don't know how it'll be to drive with, but yeah, it's pretty easy to change. So enough chit chat, just pop her into gear and then give a good pull on it. You probably should use two hands, but anyway, yeah, closer look here and you can see it's all scratched, and the leather's started to come away just there too. So it was definitely time to replace this thing, and yeah, here's the replacement. So it's like all leather. Oh, it's probably not leather, it's probably like pleather, but anyway, it's got the same little mounting point that'll fit on here. So to get it on there, I do put it in gear because I think it holds the gear better, but you just want to like get it there and then give her a tap down and she's on. All good. So yeah, now feels nice. Yeah, well, that was quite simple to do, and there's the old one. We can throw that out now or keep it as a spare. I don't really know why I'd need a spare, but anyway, I guess I'll end the video there. I just wanted to point out too, I will be working on my interior here a little bit. As you can see, it's yeah, it's like bad there and it's not very good there, and you know, I'll be working on trying to fix up some of the leather and yeah, maybe like fix up some of that and do a few things there, and yeah, fix up the steering wheel a little bit. So I want to try and get this all looking nice again, so I'll try and put that in an upcoming video. But anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, I guess if you like, give us a like and leave a comment or whatever, share and subscribe if you want to see more, and yeah, we'll end the video there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.